Choosing rugs can be really challenging, which is why we love working with Miss Amara, because they have such a great range. Let me show you the rugs we've chosen for this house, and I've remembered all of their names off the top of my head. Let's see how we go. This is the Demelza Neutral Irregular Shaped Washable Rug. And this beauty is the Flory Beige Abstract Patterned Washable Rug. Ta-da! In the nursery, we have the Mica Brown and Beige Wiggle Bordered Washable Rug. In the hallway, the Velours Cream Striped Washable Shag Runner Rug. And last but not least, we have the Layla Ivory Braided Wool Rug.